Hey guys, welcome to the channel Arav's Magical Touch. Today I am with my friend Sai. He's here to learn how do we burp. So, when you are eating food or drinking a beverage, you are not just swallowing your food and drink. You are also swallowing air. This air needs to find somewhere to go, and so it comes back up from your stomach through your esophagus. The tube that your food travels down to get to your stomach and comes out as a burp. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Signing off.